Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your credit card on Emirates Islamic Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in emiratesislamic.ae and press enter. This will now take you into the official website for Emirates Islamic Bank. Now from the homepage, scroll down and click on cards. This will now take you into the credit card page. Go ahead and click on the login button at the top right corner and then choose your appropriate login portal. Now within the login portal, just type in your credentials. Enter your username that you have set up while creating your account in the first place within the username box, and then enter your account password underneath within the password section. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged in to your Emirates Islamic account right away. Once you are logged in, you can simply hover over to your credit card section and then proceed forward with the cancel option to cancel your credit card. If you don't find this option, then from the top section click on customer care and then you will see the blocking your card option. Go ahead and click on it and you will see the instructions that you can follow in order to block or cancel your card. You can also click on initiate a request from the customer care page to send them a direct support request in regards to canceling your credit card. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to cancel your credit card on Emirates Islamic Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.